Here's a demo radio of this Tempo 1. I got the receiving on this radio fairly perfect now after backing out a lot of mods that somebody put into it. Finally got it to work again.
So you have to...
This is 40 meters.
I know that. We have an interface box, but we can't key that with the set up in the back plugs and dumb plugs. Anyway, my name... 018, over. Guys, cool. We had big rains off and on yesterday and the day before. Really. Yeah, the LA Times was that sandbox. But he sure does. Sometimes I get...
That's 40 meters. Here's 20. FT8.
Anyone else with
20 meters, not too much going on. Here's 15.
Open between JA and the West Coast, you don't need a lot of power. It's interesting. You don't need a lot of power to make a good contact when it's overboard, but when it's closed. You can make no contact, Roger.
That's 15 meters. Let's try 10. 28. Should get some FT8 here somewhere. A little bit FT8, not much. Okay, well, 10 looks pretty dead. Anyway, 80 meters, let's go there. Meters here isn't really open yet. Still light out. Anyway, that's a wrap. I don't have this thing transmitting yet. Not sure why, but I got to debug the transmit now. There's no coal in the fireplace here. So, gotta fix that. Nobody home. One thing at a time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.